Alright, I just wanted to get on here and solve this advanced one because we didn't have time in class, and I said I would make a video of it. So what we do, again, go through that flowchart, check to see is there anything that has a common, does it have a greatest common factor? No. So then you would go down to how many terms? That's 3 terms. E is the coefficient 1. The leading coefficient here is 1, so yes. And so then I can factor the easy way, which means easy in that it's pretty like couple steps. So multiplies to be this number 64, adds to be this number negative 16. That's negative 8 and negative 8. So that means these are my factors, and we do half of my highest power, so it would be m cubed minus 8, m cubed minus 8. And I can't set these equal to 0 because it's cubed, and cubes can be broken down. So I am going to refer to then, looking at this, I'm going to factor some more because my power is not 1 yet. So I am referring to, I see this is cubed, so I want to see if this 8 is something cubed. So I could do the cubed root of 8, and you should get 2 when you do that. So we see that this is m cubed and this is 2 cubed. So they both are the same because they're the same thing. So I have 2 cubes, which means this is going to use those formulas, a cubed minus b cubed, which is in that factor sheet, which will break into a minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared. So this a is m and b is 2. So this factors into m minus 2, a minus b, square the a, which is your m, multiply the a and b, 2 times m is 2b, and the positive comes, it's always going to be positive there, plus, or 2m, sorry, not 2b, my b is 2. And then plus my second term squared, so 2 squared, which is 4. And this would factor the same thing. So once I have that, then I can put these factors all equal to 0, because this won't factor anymore. So I'm going to put m minus 2 equal to 0. And that gives me 2. So technically, if I would have put this equal to 0, I would have gotten this 2, but this one equal to 0, it can't be factored, so I need to use my quadratic formula, which is a negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So the square root. So this would be negative 2 plus or minus the square root of b squared, 2 squared minus 4ac all over 2 times a. Or negative 2 plus or minus 4 minus 16 is a negative 12 all over 2. Square root of a negative is I. So this is another couple answers. So then these would also give me the same thing. So technically I have this and this, both of those twice. So that would be good enough for your answer. All right. You all should have it all.